You just signed up for an HRDQ-U corporate membership, so what's the next step? In this guide, we'll show you how to easily set up your account. First, we want to welcome you to our growing community of learners. With over 13 years of delivering expert-led content and 30 training topics to choose from, you're on your way to transforming your teams and organization with your corporate membership. To set up your account, you'll need to add your members as sub-accounts. Log into your account, and navigate to your My Account dashboard. Here you can make any adjustments to your membership information. Scroll down and select Subscriptions. Then select Sub-accounts under your membership's actions. From this page, you can manage your membership's users. You can add members in two ways. The first is by selecting Add Sub-account. This is good if you're only adding 1 or 2 members at a time and want to oversee the account creation. If the member you're adding already has an HRDQ-U account, enter their existing username. For this example, we're creating a new user account. Enter the user's email, first name, and last name. Since they are a new user, select the box to send new members the welcome email. This invites them to view their account. Once all the information has been entered, select Submit. Once they've been added, the page will reload, and you'll see them listed as a sub-account. The other option of adding sub-accounts is by sending a sign-up URL to your users. This is perfect for large corporate accounts with many users. Doing it this way allows the individual users to create their own account. For this option, copy the link to your clipboard by selecting the clipboard icon. Then, go to your email. For this example, we're only sending it to one user, but enter the emails for all your desired members. Draft your message to invite them to create their account with the link you copied, and send it. Once your users have created their account, you can see them listed on your dashboard under Sub-accounts. You've learned how to add users to your membership. But don't stop there. Take a look at all of our content. We offer virtual seminars only for corporate members. Our virtual seminars take HRDQ-Store's popular trainings from the reproducible training library and offer it as on-demand courses on HRDQ-U. Take a look at our webinars. We have over 500 on-demand webinars to choose from, as well as live webinars delivered weekly. Our podcast, HRDQ-U in Review, features recent webinar presenters. We invite them to come share takeaways from their webinar for continued learning. It's perfect if you're wanting powerful learning in a short amount of time. The HRDQ-U training blog is your place for related articles that expand on our recent webinars. Written by industry experts, each blog post contains insights and strategies to improve performance. And for formal training solutions, explore our product demos. Each demo takes a popular HRDQ-Store training resources and breaks down its key components, showing how it can transform workplaces. And there's your introduction to HRDQ-U in your corporate membership. Thank you for joining our community, and happy learning!